Yay, people, you can hear the noise in the background. Yeah, that's what it is. And see, my little son is also here with a Ayush, loudly bang it. This is unprecedented. I've never seen something like this, and it's like it's 5 in the evening, and people are like in their balcony, and yeah, that's what we are doing, and this will go down in history as a very special day. Okay, so much of noise. So very pointless. Yeah. Acha, now we